Today my main goal was clone this entire website, and this is the execution result I got. I have completely cloned the website. It's a 98% match. Today I will show you how I clone this website and completely using Lovable from planning to execution. So come with me, let me show you. So we're gonna clone this website, and this is gonna be a complete different method. First let me show you around the website. So this is the hero section, and then there is about section, and then there is project section. Project section are so clean, and we're gonna be adding all these animations, and then there is testimonials, and then there is contact for LinkedIn and it's moving. So this is the experience section, and after that there is footer. Here you can see the navigations are clean. Let's clone this entire portfolio website, and I'm gonna be showing the method that is really easy and you can try it for yourself. So first let me just go here and move to Lovable. So this is Lovable. So this is the tool we're gonna be using to clone that website. So first let me add a prompt that will create the implementation plan. Rather than creating a prompt to make the portfolio website, I'm gonna be using the Lovable to create the implementation plan. After creating the implementation plan, let's give it a go for making that clone. So first let's create the implementation plan using Lovable. For that I'm gonna be using the prompt here, and this is a prompt that will create the implementation plan. For that I'm going to be adding a blueprint. You can find all the prompt and code everything in the description. You will see a Gumroad link. There you can find a Notion link that will lead you to the whole prompt and code I'm using. So first let's just go here and attach the blueprint. So now we have added that blueprint. Okay, next we need the screen recording of the website. So let's take that. So we need a screen recording, right? So I'm going to be using a extension called free.io. You can find in the Google extension, and here just go for only screen and no audio, and then start record, but go to Chrome and select the website, then start sharing, and then you can take the video, share. So let's just scroll and then move around and show the things slowly and make sure you cover everything. Okay, done. Now stop it and play it if you want, like what you record, and everything is working at your liking and everything is covered. Then save this video, and I'm gonna just save this. Next we're gonna be adding that video to Lovable. Then here go to attachment and file and add that video file. So here I have added that. I can take a while, like it need to load, right? Yeah, so let's just like that it's loaded, and change this to plan and then just enter. And this can take a while, and there Lovable will ask you some questions and just answer that and then go to submit. This is the plan Lovable has made for us. As you can see, it's analyzed everything from hero section, the about section, the project section, testimonials and CTA, experience, and finally the footer. Now we have everything. Also the global system that will do the animations and cursor navigation, everything. Okay, you can read the details if you want, but I will just go for the approve. Here I'm just gonna approve this, and now it's gonna work on building the website. Okay, now let's just wait, and it's finally done, and we have used the free credits. I mean every credits we had. Now it's done. Okay, now let's just scroll and see. Let's go to open a new tab and just full screen it. Now let's just scroll. Here as you can see, it's moving like just like the website we had cloned. And let's move to the next section, which is called about section, and it's red color. It is scrolling, and also you can see there is a slip coming towards it, like recent recipes. And then when we go down, there are these projects, and let's see it's stacking up in on each other. Okay, it's working, and yeah, I don't know what to say. It's really working, guys. We have completely cloned that website. And after that, going to the, so here in the testimonials, we are not seeing the scrolling effect of testimonials from the OG website, but when you scroll down here, you can see don't be shy, contact on LinkedIn, and here you can see a visit button on the section. Yeah, it's slowed down. It's slowed down. Okay, after that there is experience section, and this line is kind of messy, but we can fix it later. Okay, and after that there is footer. Voila, How cool is that? And let's see the navigation is working. Work, play, about, resume. Okay, it's working. And just like that, we have cloned that entire website using Lovable with planning and execution. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Ta-da! See you next video.